What's up everybody, JJ here, and we did it, 5,000 subscribers, and I want to thank every single one of you for making it here. We did it. I know that's such a small milestone for bigger channels. They would probably gain and lose 5,000 subscribers every single day. But for me, a small channel making it that far is just a big milestone, and I wanted to kind of celebrate it here. I know there'll be bigger milestones down the road, but then I can look back at this and say, wow, this is where the channel was at 5,000 subscribers. And to commemorate this step and to thank every single one of you who have helped me out to make it this far, I've created this special 5,000 subscribers medallion. It is an STL file I will be releasing to all of my YouTube members and Patreon. So that's $2 to get this. This is a first rough draft of it. That one will be dual color, so you'll actually be able to read it. You can, I don't know, use it as a medallion. Just save the STL file for once this is a 1,000,000 subscribers channel, you can say you were there at 5,000. I'll probably just use it for a coaster for now, and then once we reach 10,000, I'll have to design something more. And hopefully I'll be better at CAD by the time that comes around. So I will be releasing this file only for a month. I will put a link on my Patreon and to YouTube members exclusively, and then in a month I will delete that file and you cannot download it anymore. It's kind of just a limited release to say thank you for people who are helping out this channel so much. And yes, I do have so many videos planned and I'm working on. I mean, here's some things I'm reviewing, and I'm working on those videos, and there's so many other Clipper upgrade videos that I have bouncing around in the back of my head. It just takes time to make good videos and really get the information in a good compact format. So I'm trying to make videos as fast as possible, but there's way more ideas in my head than I can actually make videos of. So also for anyone who's watching this video, if there's a video that I've mentioned and haven't really gotten to, comment it in the description down below, or any videos you would be interested in seeing. I want to make so many different videos, it's just not possible to get to all of them, so that's a way you can kind of vote for which ones you're interested in. If I look like I'm sweating a lot, it's because our AC just went out down here. Hopefully a repairman can come by tomorrow. So this is a very hot, sweaty, if I'm red this video, that's why. Well, that just about wraps it up. I've got to go now. I do have videos I need to keep making. Go out there, create something amazing today, and I'll see you later this week.